Here are 5 of the fastest production motorcycles in the world. 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This track-only bike can reach speeds over 250 miles per hour, powered by a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine. 2. Dodge Tomahawk. Though not street legal, this concept bike boasts a top speed of around 300 miles per hour, utilizing a V10 engine from the Dodge Viper. 3. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R. With a top speed of about 186 miles per hour, this bike features a 1,441 cubic centimeters engine and is known for its smooth performance. 4. Suzuki Hayabusa. Renowned for its speed, the Hayabusa can reach approximately 186 miles per hour, powered by a 1,340 cubic centimeters engine.